Okay, all right. Namaskar, Adab, Sat Sri Akal. A very good afternoon to all the parents, kids, ladies, and gentlemen. I welcome you all to the Kids Teaching Kids, organized by Asmiti Academy. Today, I take this opportunity and I have this pleasure to be your host of this day. I would like to thank everyone for giving your precious time and being part of this event. This will definitely encourage our children and motivate them जो इस समय हमारे साथ जुड़ रहे हैं हमारे साथ सीखने के लिए. ये इवेंट मेरे लिए बहुत खास है क्योंकि इससे जुड़े हुए सारे बच्चे जिनसे हमने एक एक करके बात की है, they are very talented and star performers of our event. दोस्तों कहते हैं कि खूबसूरत से एक पल का हिस्सा बन जाता है, खूबसूरत से एक पल का किस्सा बन जाता है, जिंदगी में जाने कब कौन अपना एक हिस्सा बन जाता है. कुछ खास लोग मिलते हैं जिंदगी में, कुछ खास लोग मिलते हैं जिंदगी में जिनसे कभी ना बिछड़ने का रिश्ता बन जाता है. एंड आई एम श्योर चेतना विल एग्री टू मी ऑन दिस, क्योंकि हम ऑलरेडी इन बच्चों, ये बच्चे हमारे जीवन का एक हिस्सा बन गए हैं, स्पेशली चेतना जो रेगुलरली इनसे टच में रहती हैं. जहां पूरा वर्ल्ड, हमारा नेशन, हम कोरोना वायरस से जूझ रहे हैं, वहीं अस्मिति एकेडमी ने हमें एक छोटा सा प्रयास करके एक प्रेरणा दी है कि हमारे बच्चे जो इस समय आपस में संपर्क में नहीं आ पा रहे हैं, वो इस प्लेटफॉर्म के थ्रू एक दूसरे से जुड़े, एक दूसरे से सीखने का सफर कभी समाप्त ना हो. कल तक निकटता प्रेम का प्रतीक थी और आज दूरियां प्रेम और परवाह का परिचायक बन गई हैं. तो इसी प्रयास को आगे बढ़ाते हुए, जहां पे हमें निकटता तो नहीं पर कनेक्शन नहीं तोड़ना है, हमारे इन टैलेंटेड बच्चों से हमें सीखते रहना है. इससे पहले कि हम आगे बढ़े, जैसा कि हम सभी जानते हैं कि किसी भी अच्छे काम की शुरुआत से पहले हमें हमेशा भगवान की स्तुति करनी चाहिए, भगवान को धन्यवाद देना चाहिए. तो चलिए इसी खूबसूरत सी परंपरा को हम भी आगे बढ़ाते हुए माँ सरस्वती का ध्यान करते हैं. सभी बच्चे हाथ जोड़ लें. जीवन को स्वर देती है तू, तेरी रहमत को हर जिंदगी तरसती है, तुझे सजदा करके चढ़ते हैं जो मंच पर, उनके शब्दों में हमेशा करुणा बरसती है. सो थैंक यू माँ सरस्वती, आप हमारे ऊपर अपनी कृपा बनाए रखें. Before starting this event, let me introduce my team and our very own star performers of the day. In my team, I have चेतना जी, अजय जी, रोहित जी. इन सभी ने बैकएंड में बहुत मेहनत इवेंट को टू शो द टुडेज शाइन. मैं चेतना जी का स्पेशली थैंक यू बोलना चाहूंगी क्योंकि उन्होंने जब बच्चों से, उनके पेरेंट्स से जुड़े, उनके पेरेंट्स से बातचीत की, उनकी सारी क्वेरीज रिजॉल्व की और बच्चों को बहुत प्रोत्साहित किया इस इवेंट में पार्टिसिपेट करने के लिए. नाउ लेट्स मूव फॉरवर्ड टू आवर परफॉर्मर ऑफ द डे, हु इज आशी भंडारी. आशी इज फ्रॉम रतलाम, मध्य प्रदेश. आशी हमारे साथ आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट, जो कि इनकी हॉबी, इनका पैशन है और ये बहुत मन से, बहुत दिल से इसे करती हैं, जो कि हम ऑलरेडी अपने डेमो सेशन में देख चुके हैं. इससे पहले आज आशीष शुरू करें, मैं थोड़ा सा आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट के बारे में बताना चाहूंगी. आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट वो कला है जहां पे हमारे सारे बच्चे अपने आप को, जब वो आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट करते हैं तो वो अपने आप को एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हैं, अपनी क्रिएटिविटी वर्ल्ड को दिखा सकते हैं और ये सब करने के लिए उन्हें कोई इनहिबिशन नहीं होता. वो बहुत दिल से, बहुत मन से ये सब करते हैं. ना सिर्फ ये, जब बच्चे अपने आप को एक्सप्रेस करते हैं किसी भी फॉर्म में, स्पेशली जब वो आर्ट्स बना के, कोई क्राफ्ट बना के खुद को एक्सप्रेस करने की कोशिश करते हैं, तो उनकी लैंग्वेज स्किल्स, उनकी वोकैबुलरी, ये सब Ashi, are you ready?
Yes.
Good. So all over to you, Ashi.
Hello everyone. This is me Ashi from Ratlam, and today I am here on this platform to teach art and crafts. So let's get started. So the first thing, is mobile holder, and for this we need a sheet. This is a square sheet, and first of all we need to make a crease. So here I have made a crease, and then we have to fold both sides like this. So I have folded both sides. Now for making again crease, we will again fold it like this and like this. So I have made a crease from both sides, and same I will repeat on this side. Like this, and then okay. So now from here we have to push it inside like this. Same from this side. Now we will apply glue on both sides. So I have applied glue on this side, and the same we will do from this side. Here I have applied glue. Okay, so let it dry. Meanwhile, we will do another thing. So this is a bookmark, and it is used in this way. We can use it. So it is a bookmark. So let's see. For this, first we have to take a square sheet. Then we have to fold it like this. We will fold it like this, and the other two parts we will again fold it like this.
Ashi, beta, can you go a little slow? Our kids are doing with you.
Okay, yes. So I have folded both parts like this. Then I am taking this part, and folding it down. And those two parts we have to fold it inside like this. Like this. So it is done, and we can make any emoji. Like I have made of smiley, so we can make any emoji. I am once again repeating mobile holder because it was so fast. we have to take a sheet, then a square sheet, then we have to fold it like from middle to make a crease. Like this, I have folded it from middle. Then the other two parts also we have to fold till the crease, like this. And like this. So I have folded it like this, and now for making again crease, we have to again fold it from one fold and second fold. I have folded it from both sides like this. So here we have got a crease, and from there we have to push it inside, and we will stick it. We will stick it from here, and same we will repeat on this side. And then we will again apply glue on this side. So same I have done on this, and it is ready. I have applied glue, and now it is ready. Like this we can keep mobile on this. Okay. So the next thing is mobile holder, and so the next thing is teddy bear, for like this from handkerchief. For this I am taking a handkerchief, and I will fold it from both sides till middle. Till here I will fold both. Okay. So now next move is little tricky. For this, we have to keep our finger in the middle. Then we will fold it like this. We'll fold it like this. Then like this. So these are the legs, and these are the hands. So I will arrange them. And now I will use rubber bands for giving it a shape. So I have used here a rubber band. Now for ears also I will use rubber bands. Rubber band like this, and one more rubber band like this. Now we can also use ribbon in the same. So okay, it is done. And we can put bindi for eyes. So I have put bindi for eyes, and so it is done. Now next thing is birthday card. For this we have to again take a square sheet and fold it like this, 1 and 2. We have done this again to make a crease. Now we have to fold it like this. We have to take this side, this. So we have to take this side, 1, 2, and this side also we will push inside. So it's done. Now we can write anything inside it, like I've already made one. So this is a birthday card, pop-up birthday card. Okay. So now we'll make a wall hanging. For this we need a sheet, and we have to fold it like this and cut it till middle. We have to not cut it full, but till middle. Like I will. We have to mark it that till where we have to cut it. So I have already marked. Now we will cut it. We'll cut it like this. So it is done. Then we have to open it and we will apply glue. I have taken an orange base sheet and we have to stick this on this. So I am taking glue. And from this side also we have to do the same, like this. Okay, so I have applied glue. Now I will stick it. So okay, now we will cut the extra part and we will use it as a handle on this wall hanging. So I am cutting the extra part. We will not cut the full part, but we will cut some part like this. Okay, so I kept it here. And now we have to fold it. And again stick it from here. We will fold it. So okay, it is done. And now we will use this as a handle. So I'm using it as a handle. Okay. Now we can also use ribbon. 1 minute. So it is done. And we can use ribbon to decorate it. And we can decorate it in our way. Okay. And we can decorate it in our way. So it is done. Now in the same way, now we will make. Okay, now we will make a flower. For this, I am taking a cup and I have colored it. Now we will cut its upper part like this. Okay, so now it is done. We have, and I'm keeping this part as a handle. Now, in the same way, I have prepared 3 more sheets and we will stick them to make a flower. So I have done it like this. I will stick it. Now I have three parts. Now we will stick three of them like this and like this. So let's do it. So I have stuck all the three parts. Now we will fold it from one side, but before that we will apply glue on it. So now we will fold it. And I'll keep it inside this. So it is like this. Okay, now the next thing is a rainbow card, flipping card. It is like this. We can also use handle in it. Now the next thing is flipping card like this. So let's make it. For this, we need two pieces of paper. One is 6 by 5 and one is half centimeter more. That is 6.5 by 5.5. Now we'll stick it. We'll stick it. So we have to stick it like this. Now I'm like this. We have to make 5 parts. Now we have to take a big strip of paper and we will draw line. We will draw 5 lines with the gap of 1 centimeter as I've drawn here. Now we will stick each part on one line. On each line we have to stick one part like this. The third part on the third line. Fourth part. Now we'll stick the last piece. Last piece, we have to stick it like this. Now let them dry up. Now we will fold it from here where the last part is ending and cut the extra part here. Like this. Then we have to make another strip, a small strip to cover this whole part. So for this I am taking a separate sheet. We have to measure it. We have to stick it from back. Okay, so now it is ready. We can write anything on it. And for sliding it, we will do like this. We have to hold it from here. We have to hold it from here and we will slide it upside. First, we have to do every piece like this. So now it is done like this. So okay, now the next thing is pen holder. For this, I am taking a yellow sheet. Okay, 1 minute. Mm. Okay, so we have to take one sheet like this. Square sheet. Then we will fold it. Fold the both corners from here. Now I am folding it downwards like this. Now we will apply glue. So I've stick this part and the same and in the same way we have to also apply glue on this side. Now we will take another sheet and we will do it in the same way. We have taken it. but we will not apply glue on this one. Now I am taking both parts. From both sides we have to do like this. 1 minute. Okay. We have to do it like this. Now we will convert it into a square shape. Now we will apply glue. Now for base we will take another sheet and we will take the measurements. Then we have to cut 4 sides like this to make its base. Now we will stick it. Okay, so I have done it and now it's ready. We can decorate it. So done.
Thank you, Ashi. Thank you so much for taking time out and sharing your art and craft things with us. Lovely teddy bear, lovely pen stand, and the wall hanging. I loved it thoroughly. Thank you so much, Ashi. You know, अभी हमारे participants ने जो और बच्चे हमारे साथ जुड़े हुए हैं उन्होंने आपके साथ साथ किया है। साथ में कुछ ने रिक्वेस्ट भी की कि आप बहुत फास्ट कर रहे हो, बट नो वरीज, जिन्होंने स्टेप्स मिस कर दिए हैं उनके लिए हमने ये सेशन रिकॉर्ड करा है। डोंट वरी, विल शेयर द रिकॉर्डेड सेशन सून फॉर एवरीबडी। हमारे साथ जुड़े हुए कुछ लोगों ने अपने कमेंट्स डाले हैं चैट बॉक्स में। उनमें से मैं एक छोटी सी पोएम रीड करना चाहूंगी जो मधु जी ने लिखी है। बच्चे भारत के भाग्य विधाता, सुंदर विकसित देश के निर्माता, इनको देना सही ज्ञान, इस बात का रखे ध्यान। थैंक यू मधु जी। बेशक हम इस बात का पूरा ध्यान रखेंगे कि हम बच्चों का सही तरीके से ज्ञानवर्धन करें, दर्शन करें। थैंक यू आशी। एंड Chetna, if you want to add on your comments. I think Chetna is muted.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, everyone. Hello, good afternoon, everyone. First of all, I would like to say thank you so very much, Bhavna ji and Ajay ji, who given me the opportunity to work on KTK platform, Kids Teaching Kids. And I'm so happy to connect with so many kids and so many parents at this platform. And I hope kids also enjoying to present their activities online by our online show. And Ashi, thank you so very much. You given you shown so many activities in this short period. We are so pleased to see you at here. Um, Thank you so much, Ashi. Well done, beta.
Thank you, Chetna. Thank you so much. So before moving towards our next participant, Kathleen Kaur, who will be sharing the hula hoop skills with us, I would like to tell and make everybody remind that just yesterday we had our World Environment Day. 5th of June is marked as World Environment Day. So I want all the kids to pledge that we should save tree, because if we save a tree, we save a life. If we plant a tree, we plant a life. So kids, I want a promise from you that we should come together to take care of all the trees so that trees can take care of us, right? Give me yes in the chat box for my message. So now let's move towards Kathleen Kaur. Kathleen is 10 years old. She is from Mumbai. So see the diversity of our, even the people from kids from various parts of India are joining us. Kathleen will show us hula hoop. It is basically a ring which can be used to move around your body. It increases your concentration. Of course, it is also recommended to lose weight. It actually don't take away your time. It gives you time by increasing your concentration. So now I would like to make the platform over to Kathleen. Kathleen, it's all over to you, beta.
Thank you, ma'am. Hi, myself Kathleen Kaur. I'm 10 years old and I'm studying in Ryan International School, Khargar. Here I've got the opportunity to share my talent with you all. So I'm going to teach you hula hoop. So before teaching hula hoop, let's start with some warm-up exercises. First you have to stretch your legs a little bit and keep your hands on your waist, and then roll it for at least for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now we'll roll it to the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Come on, kids, do with Kathleen. I want to show you, I want to see you moving. Do with Kathleen.
10. Now let's do a shoulder exercise. Let's do it for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I'll tell you a point about hula hoop. First, everybody show me your hula hoops. Now, the hula hoop should be arranged according to your height. So if you will not arrange it according to your height, it will fall. So now let's see the position how to stand in hula hoop. First stand straight and take your right leg a little bit behind like I have done here. Now imagine that this is the imaginary hula hoop. You can throw the hula hoop any side. If you want to throw it on the right side, then you have to be like this. If you want to throw it to the left side, you have to be like this. So it's your wish. You can throw it on any side. Now let's roll, and nothing should come in between you and your hula hoop, or then your hula hoop will fall. So now let's do it with the hula hoop. Here you should keep your back very tightly. There is no this left in between me and my back. Space left in between me and my back. Throw it and roll it. Now we will do this at least for 20 seconds. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Again we'll do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, if you all are doing with me, once you can show how I did. Can you all? Now do it with me. 1, 2, 3 and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let's do it again. You also do it with me. Again. 1, 2, 3 and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now let's do it by sitting. First you have to sit on your knees straightly and hold your hula hoop and throw it in the same way we did by standing. 1, 2, 3 and go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Again we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again we'll do by standing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now one more time by sitting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now I'll teach you how to walk and do hula hoop. So first you have to stand straight. First I'll teach you the trick. Imagine this is an imaginary hula hoop. Stand in the same position I told you before, a light leg little bit behind, and you have to throw the hula hoop and rolling and move straight again. Like throw like this again. Throw like this. Okay, now we'll do it with the hula hoop. Throw and then you have to walk like turtle. Very slowly so that the hula hoop shouldn't fall. Like this. I'll show it to you again. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again. 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Again we'll do for walking because it is a bit hard. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Everybody do it along with me. All are doing? If your hula hoop is falling, then stand in the same position and bend your knees a little bit so that it doesn't fall. Now we'll do this by sitting again. You should not move your hula hoop too fast. Once you learn how to do hula hoop, then you can move it as much fast as you want. Okay. Now we'll do by walking.
Wow, very nice to see Riddhima, Sangeeta, Lavanya doing along. Kathleen, you are going on very nicely.
Thank you, ma'am.
And thanks, kiddos, for joining in with Kathleen. Come on, yes, whoop, whoop, whoop. Keep giving instructions to your audience, Kritleen. They are waiting to hear you also.
Yes, ma'am. We have to again do it with the same thing. We'll do it for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now by sitting we'll do it once. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. By walking we'll do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, do it. Nice. Yes, you all can do it. Now by walking we'll do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thank you.
Thank you. It's so lovely, Kritleen. It was mesmerizing to see you moving with your hoop. Whatever you say, I would like to read on the poem just sent by our very own Ajay ji. किताबों से अलग भी है इनका एक जहां, मौका तो दो इन मासूमों को, कल्पना और हुनर के पंखों से उड़ने दो इन्हें चांद और सूरज के पार। वैसे ही आपने भी हमें बहुत अच्छे से सिखाया कृतलीन।
Thank you, ma'am.
Much. Very sincerely, I would like to thanks every one of you for taking your time out and joining with us. Thank you so much. Thank you, Ashi. Thank you, Kritleen. And the fun is still on. We'll be joining tomorrow again at 2 p.m. with 2 more star performers. They'll be doing the dance moves. Don't forget to join in. Learn Zentangle and do some dance moves. Oh, sorry, no, not the dance one. We'll have the music. Arnav Khandelwal, who will be presenting Guitars Basic. And the upcoming week, we'll have some dance moves as well by Aradhya. So all the kids, bye-bye for now. Take care, plant tree, and stay happy. Keep learning. All the best. Bye-bye. Thank you so much. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thanks, everyone. It was wonderful. Thanks, Ashi. Thanks, Kritleen. Thanks, Chetna. Thanks, Bhavna.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye, Chetna.